Hello everybody, this is Jack Raphael, Astrophotographers. This is the part 3 videos of Zero Beginners 3. Whenever you're processing your deep sky image that you completely overexpose the Orion Nebula, you might get those bright core of Orion Nebula, and I can show you there's a easier way to how to stretch your deep sky image when it has a brighter core. There is 3 things that you only need to use. 1, stretch. 2, locate stretch. And 3, highlights. And of course, you do need stretch, locate stretch, and highlights for protects the Orion core, whatever you're processing this started. Now let's get this started for processing your deep sky image. Once you have a raw data photo of Orion Nebula, and when you click auto stretch, it completely overexposed the Orion core, and you want to use background extraction first and try to get those better image for processing your Orion Nebula's photo. Like that. Now keep removing those little squares of Orion Nebula. Make sure you want to try to get those best photos as possible you could. Yeah, more even like that. Even the Running Man too. Just like that. And okay, so once you finish processing your background extraminator of the Orion Nebula, and this is the auto stretch that completely overexposed the Orion core, and this is a without stretch, and you can see the core still low brightness. I'm gonna change it to hydrogen red and blue oxygen and green oxygen right here, and let's hit that. Okay, this is the HOO channel. Now let's go ahead and remove green noise. And now we're going to do the color correction for the background first. Let's make it even perfect. That's not even good. Or I like this one a little bit. And you can place somewhere for the background and use this. Don't want to try to use those background here. Now, let's just get this started for stretching your image. Let's fix the background, and you need to use this stretch and allow this clip. At the first step, you want to try bring those first stretch and bring it to 1500 like that. And bring those highlights down so it protects the core. As you can see, it got a little bit brighter for using highlights. If you want to bring down the brightness, keep adding highlights. So it protects the overexposed of Orion Nebula core, and you want to click apply and bring it down to the black points, just like that. Now you really want to try to do that over and over again, to using 1000 to 650% of stretch. For this, you can only use 1500 to 3500 only. keep adding more local stretch, just like that, and lower the exposure, lower the stretch, just like that. If you look the difference, it completely lowered the exposure of a core, and you don't want to try and mess up the Orion core. Okay, keep doing that like and over again, so you don't want to mess up the Orion core. And you can do that again, a little more. Make it 1000 and also 2500. Just keep making that lower percent. Let's make it, keep it going. Go a little bit lower. Looks a little bit the same. So, okay, this should be good enough. And if you keep adding too much stretch, you want to try and use it at 150, like that. I'm going to close this one of a Hubble patterns. Once you get those better photos what you actually got, now you want to try. This is how much you got so far. Just remember, like, don't use way too much of a stretch factor, and also use much higher local stretch. And you want to try and bring it down. Much even better. It's doing pretty good. And it looks perfect. We're gonna do that one more time, because for stretching Orion Nebula, make it that much. Just like that. This should be good. And lower the dark core. Alright, this is what you officially got for stretching a different stretch way. And whatever you add colors, this would ever showed up. If you add more even color, this would show up even more too. So this is how to stretch your deep sky image when it has a nebula core on it. 3 different things for using a percent about processing your deep sky image. But the first stretch is you can only use 500 to 1000. And the local stretch you can only use is 1000 to 3500. And the highlights you can only use 75% to 20%. If you want to try to get a better photo, just like my latest photo of Orion Nebula, we could do some for sharpening your deep sky image, and it gives you more detailed photos for sharpening your stars, sharpening a little gas nebula. I will be processing a ring nebula or a wizard nebula for the part 4 videos. If you want to see the part 4 videos, subscribe and hit that like button for the part 4 videos soon, in the late on March latest.